Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to reset forgotten security folder password on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the secure folder on your smartphone. Now from here, just enter any random PIN, password or pattern on your secure folder, just like that. Now once you enter any random PIN, just tap on done. Now once you do that, this option will appear on the screen, Forgot PIN. Now if this option does not appear on your smartphone, I will give the solution of that situation later in the video. Now if the Forgot PIN option appears on the screen, just tap on Forgot PIN. From here, just tap on Reset. Now from here, just enter the password of your Samsung account. Now, once you enter the password of your Samsung account, just tap on OK. Now from here, just make sure to enable Allow Lock Reset with Samsung account. Now what this option does is that it allows you to reset the password of your secure folder if you have forgotten it by entering the password of your Samsung account. This is why the forgot PIN, forgot password, or forgot pattern option appears when you enter a random PIN, password, or pattern on your secure folder. And also you can enable this feature, unlock with fingerprint. Now, if you enable this feature, you will use your fingerprint to unlock your secure folder. Now from here, you can change the PIN of your secure folder. Now, as you can see, it is currently on PIN. You can select a PIN, a password, or a pattern. I will select the pattern. Now from here, just draw your pattern. Now once you draw your pattern, just tap on continue. From here, just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now once you confirm your pattern, just tap on confirm. Now if you open your secure folder, as you can see, we have successfully changed the password of our secure folder. Now just enter the new password, just like that. And with this method, your data will not be wiped out from your secure folder, just like that. Now for the second method, now for an example, if the forgot pattern, password, or PIN option does not appear on your smartphone, there is only one solution to that situation. You will have to log out of your Samsung account and to delete your secure folder. Now with this method, all the data which you have saved in your secure folder will be wiped out. Now just remember that. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the Samsung account at the top of the Settings app. From here, just scroll down and tap on Sign Out. Now from here, just tap on Sign Out. From here, just enter the password of your Samsung account. Now once you enter the password of your Samsung account, just tap on OK. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Now from here, just open your secure folder. Now once you do that, this option will appear on the screen. Just tap on Uninstall. From here, just select Uninstall. Now once you do that, you will delete the secure folder on your smartphone. Now with that, you will delete all the data on your secure folder. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on Sign into your Galaxy. Now from here, just tap on Sign in with Google and select the email you want to create your Samsung account with. From here, just tap on I have read and agreed to the all above and tap on Agree. Now as you can see, we have logged into our Samsung account. Now just go back. From here, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Now just scroll down and tap on More Security Settings. From here, tap on Secure Folder and tap on Continue. Now just tap on Continue one more time. Now from here, you will create your secure folder. Now just wait for a few seconds to a few minutes for the secure folder on your smartphone to be created. Now from here, just make sure to select Allow Reset with Samsung account. Now from here, just select a password for your secure folder. You have the option of a PIN, a password, or a pattern. I will select the PIN. Now from here, just create your PIN. Now just tap on Continue. From here, just tap on Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now once you confirm your PIN, just tap on OK. From here, just tap on Next. Now as you can see, we have created our secure folder, just like that. And this is how you can reset forgotten secure folder password on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.